Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off audio description on iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then go to accessibility. In vision, you will see at the last option over here, audio description. Once you click on that, you will come in this page, and once you turn this off, you will never get automatic play audio descriptions on your iPhone when it's available. So to do this, click on that toggle to turn this in gray color, and it's turned off, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.